massive showdown on the streets of Maharashtra. Shiv Sena and BJP workers clashed in parts of Mumbai as well as Nashik over Union Minister Narayan Rane's comments on slapping Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over his alleged ignorance of the year of India's independence. Teams from the Nashik police have left for Ratnagiri to arrest Narayan Rane as per orders issued by the Nashik police commissioner. There are 4 FIRs that have also been registered against Rane. Shiv Seniks clashed with BJP workers in Mumbai. They were seen protesting outside Narayan Rane's residence, even burning his effigy. Now, not just in Mumbai, Shiv Sena workers are also vandalized and pelted stones at the BJP office in Nashik. Shiv Sena MP Vinayak Raut has now written to Prime Minister Modi requesting him to remove Narayan Rane from the cabinet over his remarks against Uddhav.
Violent protest over here. The fight is on and a huge clash between Shiv Sena and BJP workers. Here the visuals, you can see how the lathi charge has been done. Lathi charge has been done. And we will be coming to the side because the stones are coming over here. And this is the situation after Narayan Rane's statement. Here in the visual. And this is the statement after Narayan Rane gave a statement against Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. And Sena workers are coming again. And this is how a huge protest and a face-off between Shiv Sena and BJP. And this is the scenario. Shiv Sena leader are over here. The whole Youth Sena and other women cell of the Shiv Sena are right now here. That's the BJP leader Narayan Rane resident. The BJP workers over there. Police asking them to go inside the bungalow. BJP workers are being asked to go inside the bungalow, and here you can see again a lathi charge by the Mumbai police asking them to go inside their house. Otherwise, see here, they also brought eggs over here. Now, all the BJP workers are asked to go inside, and this will be barricaded, and these are the leaders, and this is the situation over here right now.
बोलायचा अधिकार तरी आहे का? बाजूला म्हणा एखादा सेक्रेटरी ठेवा आणि विचारून बोल. त्याशी नाही काय? किती वर्ष आली देशाला संतुलन हिरक महोत्सव काय? हे असतो तर कानाखाली चढवली. हे काय देशाचं तुम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य दिनाची माहिती नसावी? सांगा मला, किती चीड येणारी गोष्ट आहे.
आपको किसी ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है क्या मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर हमला करने का? तो महाराष्ट्र में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन जो है वो कानून का राज चलता है महाराष्ट्र में. आप हमारे स्कूल से ही बाहर निकले हो. ये ओरिजिनल स्कूल हमारा है. अभी हमारे हाथ कानून से बंधे हैं क्योंकि हमारी सरकार है. 2 बार हमने आपको पराजित किया है चुनाव में, विधानसभा में, लोकसभा में. क्या आपकी इज्जत है महाराष्ट्र में? सबको मालूम है. लेकिन वो बीजेपी वाले आपके कंधे पर बंदूक रखकर हमारे ऊपर निशाना साधते हो. करिए, कितना भी करिए.
जिस तरह से बंगाल में हिंसक वातावरण बनाया गया राणे जी के जरिए, महाराष्ट्र में वही हालात बनाने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करना चाहती है. हम फिर से कहते हैं कि लोग ये न समझे कि वे कानून से बड़े हो गए हैं. निश्चित रूप से कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी.
Saurabh Vakhtania is joining us live from Mumbai with more updates on this. Saurabh, you were reporting from the ground when we saw those dramatic protests playing out in Mumbai outside Narayan Rane's residence. Tell us, what's the situation currently on the ground?
Well, actually, the Shiv Sena workers have left from the place. The police have managed to remove all the workers out from this particular residence of Narayan Rane in Juhu. But the situation still is very much tense, and many of the workers of the BJP have got injured. Also, several of the policemen and the Shiv Sena workers too have been injured over here. The BJP leaders over here, this is the Narayan Rane resident in Juhu, they're still over here. They are saying that they won't be going away from here till the time they are not assured that the Shiv Sena workers don't come back. But the Shiv Sena workers are clearly saying they will be again coming back to this particular place. Right now, they are at the Juhu Beach area side. The Mumbai Police senior officials, the Joint Commissioner of the Police, the Additional Commissioner, several of the DCPs are present over here. Extra police is still brought in, still the SRPF and the other forces of the Mumbai Police have been brought in, because the situation will be remaining tense, because not just in Juhu, Akshita, several places of Mumbai we have seen lot of protest by the Shiv Sena workers. They are demanding an immediate arrest of BJP leader Narayan Rane, and also he should apologize. Several FIRs have been filed till now, Akshita, let me tell you. 4 FIRs have been filed till now. Many of the FIRs still in process, not just in Mumbai, but Nashik, Pune, few in Konkan, and this FIR continues. We are also been told that Narayan Rane's legal team have already approached the Bombay High Court, but Narayan Rane is adamant. He's saying that he has said nothing wrong. He is a central minister and it's not easy to arrest him. He has said nothing wrong and he still remains on what he has said. Here still the BJP workers over here, again the Mumbai police officials are telling them that they should not come out of this particular bungalow. They have barricaded this place. They had earlier locked this place, but now the BJP workers again saying that they will try to come out if the Shiv Sena workers comes over again.
All right, let's hope that things remain calm. We saw very violent protests breaking out in Mumbai, but for the moment, Saurabh, thank you for joining us. Now, the